Hi and welcome back to the video. Today we will talk about how to create account on Namecheap. So let's get started. First of all, open your Chrome browser and type Namecheap. Now open the Namecheap website. Now here you will see sign up button on the top left side. Click on sign up. On this page you have to enter your details such as your username. So I will write Gordov, and here you will have to create your password. So I am creating my own. You can create any password according to your privacy, so just confirm the password again. Here you will have to write your first name and now your last name. Next you will enter your email address. And just click on create account. Now as you can see, due to some issue the account has not been created, so just click on I am not a robot. So you have to enter a valid and strong password. So I am again entering my password and confirm the password. Now click on create account. And as you can see that your account has been successfully created. So you can also follow the same steps to sign up on Namecheap. And if you want to learn how to buy a domain or hosting on Namecheap, you should watch our other videos too. So that was the quick tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.